Good morning, everybody. It's going to be the best today ever. Sun shining. It's a beautiful day. We're getting ready to go to Silver Lake. We've got the motorhome. We got Lucille on there. Getting ready to go down the highway. It's about a 2.5 hour journey for us. Got the Z71 loaded up with OJ on the back. Thank you, Tim and Sandy and Uncle Ron, for letting us borrow that trailer. And we are heading to the dunes. So hopefully we don't break those beasts. Sometimes we have a tendency to go a little fast. How do we do this? We're amazing.
We have impeccable timing.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How's your trip?
Great.
Look at that cool truck you guys have. Hi, Mike. How do we have such impeccable timing?
So weird.
Yeah. Hi, brother.
What's going on, man?
How are you?
All right.
Hey, darling, what are you doing?
Putting flags on for safety so I can go in the dunes legally. Hey, those who glamp together, what are you doing?
What do you want to do?
What are you doing?
We're chilling.
Oh. You're rocking away in the
We're trying
rocking.
to hide out because we
This is
stole
probably
some
the
dude's.
first time we've sat down for
Yeah.
5 minutes.
We're trying to hide out here in the lower part of Michigan or wherever we are in Michigan because we stole some dude's truck in North Dakota
Yeah.
and we don't want him to know about it.
It's probably a nice
We gotta
guy.
run from it.
Silver Lake. It's Test Hill right there in front of us. Lake Michigan. Lucille. OJ's coming up behind us. Okay. Did you get that? That's a lot of sand. Did you videotape that? Yeah. It's not the up, it's the down.
When you crest the hill.
Oh, they crashed.
That's how they do it in Michigan at the sand dunes for the holiday.
Here we are at the Mears Lighthouse. We're vacationing at Silver Lake, doing a little off-roading. Such a beautiful sunset. We're here with our friends, Mike and Joni, Jeremy and Tiffany. And of course, we've got pizza on the beach, and it's amazing. Pancakes. Honeyberries are like a cherry blueberry. They're from Minnesota, up north. Some sausage patties. Got some hash browns, wingy dings, a little sausage gravy for the biscuits. Yep, that's what happens when you're going too hard. He's going hard in the streets and wrecked his golf cart.
And that was it.
It's the best today ever. We are gonna have some lunch. What up, Mike? Rip. What's up, boys? We got the unveiling of the lunch. Dun dun dun.
This is called roadkill. It's yesterday's
roadkill.
chicken. And
This is today's.
Let's see it.
place we stayed at, Manitou Springs, and let.
right, made in the USA, America. Dun, dun, dun. We are gonna put up our flag. It's the 4th of July and we are gonna tell people about our independence. Happy camping.
Father, we love you, and God, thank you again for your love for us. Lord, as I was thinking about the sand, Lord, I'm grateful that, God, when the wind blows, it covers up all of our missteps.
That's how we do it at Camp Betzner. It's gonna be the best day ever when I put some bacon on that cheeseburger. Sam!
Come on.
Sam!
He earned it.
Sam!
He got rid.
Well, you know, you're from Key West.
Hi!
Hi.
I put my shirt on there.
Look, we picked up a stranger. Look at that.
Best day ever. We're at Silver Lake. Happy 4th of July. We came here this weekend. We're riding around in the dunes. We're celebrating America and our independence and our freedom. We thank all the veterans that went before us so we could live in a free country. We're just riding around on the dunes, four-wheeling in all these cool trucks, dune buggies, motorcycles. had another best today ever. We are closing out our 5 days at Silver Lake. We are gonna head home tomorrow morning. We just thought we'd do one more evening cruise.